What's up guys, this is Omkar from TechFortnite and today we are going to see how to fix InsydeH20 setup utility problem. So let's start. Many of the users face this setup utility problem through their system, and one day I got the same utility problem with my system, so I searched the article videos on YouTube. None of the thing completely helped me with the solution. By gathering all the information from the articles and all, I came to a solution that it occurs due to the keypad problem. It is because in your keyboard F2 button or any other key is damaged. That's why when you start your system it always goes to the BIOS mode, which is this setup utility problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. First of all, you have to turn on your system. So let's turn on it. You will get this setup utility problem window, which is BIOS mode. Here you can see the F9 and F10, which is available in the keyboard. Through F9 we can set the setup configuration as default. So first we have to do it. F9, click yes. After that you have to click F10 to save and exit. Click yes. So here's what the problem occurs. In this you will not find any option, so there is also a solution. Click OK. To solve this problem we have to shut down the system. So click Ctrl Alt Delete. It will take you out of that window. As you see the logo, you have to immediately click the BIOS mode key. So in my laptop it's F2 key. Using the right arrow key you have to go to the boot mode. In this boot mode you can see UEFI, which is to be changed. So using the down arrow key, choose Legacy, then enter. Go to the exit, then enter. Click yes. So now your PC has been fixed. Okay guys, so this video has been ended. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video and click the bell icon to get notified my new and latest video.